Hey guys, Brian with VetSource checking in on a cold and windy night here in Southeast Texas. This evening I'm going to be featuring a C6 headlight assembly passenger side. This is GM part number 20789692. This was actually applicable, this headlight assembly itself, from 2009 to 2013, simply because it is a cyber gray metallic. You may be able to see the insert inside here is a metallic color in gray, not a black. One little known fact most people may not know unless you've seen the Corvettes, these headlights from this era, 06 to 13, the insert in the headlight matched the body color of the car, so these are color coded to the particular car you're working with. So this cyber gray will work on other cars. It would just be incorrect for the body color of the car. As you can see, this headlight is brand new. This was a 2016 production run, never installed on a car. This is a service replacement part that was a leftover when a body shop went to fix a car and did not end up fixing it. It was totaled. So the part has never been installed on a vehicle. It was just out of the box, but it's brand new condition. These headlight assemblies are fairly complex for the Corvettes. This is the first generation that the Corvettes went back to an exposed headlight or a fixed headlight rather than a pop-up headlight. They ended the fixed headlight at the end of 1962 and went to the pop-up headlight in 1963, and the Corvettes kept that all the way up until 2005, when then we went back to the fixed headlight assembly. So this would be the first generation back with fixed headlights. Seems like most of the industry went this way. As you can see, this is a fairly complex assembly. It's got a lower housing here, you've got a head ballast here, and the lower housing is actually glued to the upper lens cover, and then back here you've got your slots, basically, where you can go in and change your bulbs. You've got 3 bulbs through here. It turns a park lamp, a high beam, a low beam, and then you've got on the other side this weather stripping piece which seals the fender and the edge of the bumper up to the headlight assembly, so there's no noticeable gap there. They're really nice pieces. They look fairly sturdy, and they don't come apart easily. So the only problem that ends up happening with age is this lens assembly gets cloudy, and there's really no easy way to take this apart unless you stick it in an oven and heat the glue up. So this one here is brand new passenger side assembly. Once again, 2078-9692 is our part number. This has a production date of 2016. It's on that tag right there. Don't really think I can focus in on it. No broken tabs. This is a locator tab. Typically these will get broken on the bottom where they bolt into the body. These will be broken, but as you can see, like I said, this is never installed part. It's basically what we in the industry call a new old stock part, ready to be installed. So if you've got a car that you're fixing, repairing, or want to change the look of, this will be a good choice for you. You can reach me by phone at 832-654-7367, email at vetsource@hotmail.com, my YouTube name just at Hotmail. And let me know if you're looking for any other Corvette parts. I've been dealing with Corvette parts for just about 20 years, so I have plenty of stuff available. I can ship this worldwide and accept all forms of payment. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below, or contact me the way I had previously illustrated, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll check back with you next time. Thanks again.